My name is Leanne Pressman. I'm the president and co-founder of Ministry of Inspiration. The Inspire Festival 2016 is at NMIT in Nelson, and it runs from the 13th to 16th of April. It's 3.5 days currently of workshops and hands-on experiments, and these are presented from 52 speakers that have come from around the country specifically to this conference or festival, just to reach out to this community and get people more involved and excited about STEAMs, which is science, technology, engineering, arts, maths, and societal issues like philosophy. If you'd like to come to the festival, you should go to our website, which is www.ministryofinspiration.org, and click on the great big light bulb icon that says Inspire on there. That'll take you straight to registration. You can choose the day that you'd like to come, which depends on your age. There are 3 days for different age groups of students, and then there's a Saturday, which is just for Community Day. And we really welcome all the parents and educators and caregivers of our past and previous and present participants to come and join in on that. You know, the fascinating thing is that there is not just one type of child or parent who comes to our workshops. You would expect that perhaps the kids who are already passionate about learning would come to these sessions, and they do. But what's really rewarding for us is that a child who may or may not be achieving particularly well in school, but finds a workshop or a session that we're offering that they're really passionate about, and it might be flying drones, for example, and that passion will spark kind of a door opening for them, and they'll get in there and they start to interact with other kids who are just as passionate about this particular aspect, and from there their network begins to grow a little bit, and they're surrounded by other kids who are like them, and they start looking at other aspects and other avenues of things that they might like to dabble in, because it's an encouraging environment, and that's tremendous.